A new national survey shows a surprising number of Americans are lonely.
The survey by health insurance company Cigna found that nearly half of all Americans say they are sometimes or always feel alone. Younger adults reported social isolation more frequently than those who are in their 70s or older. Our Angela Davis spoke with a psychologist about what leads to loneliness and what we can do to prevent it.
Being lonely is not just about being alone. Psychologists say you can be surrounded by people but still feel isolated.
One feels a sense of emptiness, kind of like an emptiness of the soul, a wounded heart, and lack of connections, a sense of disconnection.
Cigna's new survey of more than 20,000 Americans, ages 18 and older, revealed some alarming findings. Only about half said they have meaningful in-person social interactions each day, like having extended conversations with a friend. 1 in 4 reported rarely or never feeling as though there are people who really understand them. 43% said they sometimes or always feel that their relationships are not meaningful. They feel isolated. The survey also found that social media use alone is not a predictor of loneliness.
It's very hard to have someone really listen. You know, often when someone says, "How are you doing?" are they really asking how we're doing? We typically ask that question and just expect people to say, "I'm good."
Getting more sleep and more physical activity can help, as well as talking about it.
Acknowledge it, let other people know, talk to your physician, talk to your friends, your family, seek out a therapist.
So after I retired, I went through some issues with loneliness myself, and but I've had to just kind of find a new life for myself.
Well, research also shows that loneliness can contribute to health problems like heart disease. A study in 2010 actually showed that loneliness has the same effect on mortality as smoking 15 cigarettes a day, making it more dangerous than obesity. Frank, so if this is a chronic condition, it's something you should get help with.
Yeah, it sounds like it. It has a big effect. All right. Thank you, Angela.